Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're starting out with coding or just looking for a powerful text editor, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code, step by step. No worries if you're a complete beginner, let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and go to the official VS Code website. The URL is code.visualstudio.com. You can also find the link in the description below. On the homepage, you'll see a big blue button that says, Download for your OS, like Windows, Mac, or Linux. The site automatically detects your operating system. Click that button to start the download. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. On Windows, it's usually a.exe file, and on Mac, it's a.zip or .dmg. Don't worry, it's lightweight and installs very quickly. Now, follow the setup wizard. Accept the license agreement, choose the installation location if you want, and make sure to check the boxes for Add to Path, Add Open with Code to right-click menu. These options make it easier to use VS Code later. Then click Install, and wait for it to finish. Once it's installed, click Finish, and Visual Studio Code will open. Congratulations, you've just installed one of the most popular code editors in the world. In future videos, I'll show you how to customize VS Code, install extensions, and write your first program. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!